Bullish BCH value forecast is $130.80 to $273.70. Bitcoin money cost could likewise reach $110 soon. Bearish BCH cost expectation for 2022 is $96.10. In Bitcoin money cost expectation 2022, we use measurements, cost designs, RSI, RVOL, and other data about BCH to examine the future development of the digital currency. Bitcoin money current market status. As per CoinGecko, the cost of Bitcoin money is $104.71 with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $495,124,618 at the hour of composing. Notwithstanding, BCH has expanded by almost 5.8% as of now. Besides, Bitcoin money has a circling supply of 19,229,337 BCH. Bitcoin money exchanges digital currency trades like Binance, Coinbase Trade, OKX, LBank, Huobi Worldwide, and Gate.io. What is Bitcoin money? Bitcoin money is a shared electronic cash framework that means to turn into a confided and worldwide money with quick installments, miniature commissions, security, and high exchange limit. Similarly, as actual cash, for example, dollar greenbacks, is moved straightforwardly to the beneficiary, Bitcoin money installments are sent straightforwardly from one individual to another. Bitcoin money is a type of digital currency basically the same as Bitcoin. As a matter of fact, Bitcoin money is a fork of Bitcoin because of the split of the chain where a specific gathering of Bitcoin designers are not happy with the overall bearing of Bitcoin's versatility. Bitcoin money value expectation 2022. Bitcoin money stands firm on the 29th footing on CoinGecko at the present time. BCH cost expectation 2022 is made sense of underneath with a day-to-day time period. The above graph of Bitcoin money spread out a rising triangle design. The rising triangle is a trademark example of a continuous bullish pattern. This triangle is shaped by an even upper trend line that interfaces the highs and the lower trend line that associates the rising lows. Assuming that the pattern breaks out at the opposition level, the cost will keep on climbing in this rising triangle design. Right now, Bitcoin money is in the scope of $103.10. In the event that the example proceeds, the cost of BCH could arrive at the obstruction levels of $106.70 and $119.50. In the event that the pattern switches, the cost of BCH might tumble to $96.40 and $87.10. Bitcoin money backing and obstruction levels. A graph underneath shows the help and obstruction levels of Bitcoin money. From the above day-to-day time period, we can obviously decipher the accompanying as the opposition and backing levels for Bitcoin money. The graphs show that Bitcoin money has played out a bullish pattern over the course of the last month. Assuming this pattern proceeds, BCH could run alongside the bulls, surpassing its opposition level at $273.70. Likewise, on the off chance that the financial backers betray the crypto, the cost of Bitcoin money could dive to nearly $96.10, a negative sign. Bitcoin money value expectation 2022, RVOL, MAMA, and RSI. The relative volume of Bitcoin money is displayed in the outline beneath. It is a mark of how the ongoing exchanging volume has changed throughout some stretch of time from the past exchanging volume. Right now, the RVOL of BCH lies underneath the end line, showing powerless members in the latest thing. Likewise, the moving normal of Bitcoin money is displayed in the outline above. Prominently, Bitcoin money cost lies under 50 MAMA, so it is in a downtrend. Right now, BCH has entered a negative state. Subsequently, there is plausible of an inversion pattern of BCH whenever. In the meantime, the overall strength list of the BCH is 44.94. This implies that Bitcoin money is in an oversold state. Nonetheless, this implies a significant value inversion of BCH might happen in the forthcoming days. Along these lines, brokers need to painstakingly exchange. Bitcoin money value expectation 2022, ADX, RVI. Allow us now to take a gander at the typical directional record of Bitcoin money. It assists with estimating the general strength of the pattern. The marker is the normal of the extending cost range values. This framework endeavors to gauge the strength of cost development in the positive and negative bearings utilizing DMI pointers with ADX. The above graph addresses the ADX of Bitcoin money. At present, the ADX of BCH lies in the scope of 34.4 and consequently, it demonstrates major areas of strength for it. The above diagram additionally addresses the overall instability record of Bitcoin money. RVI estimates the steady deviation of cost changes throughout some undefined time frame. The RVI of BCH lies under 50, showing low instability. Truth be told, the RSI of Bitcoin money is at 44.94, hence affirming a potential purchase signal. Correlation of BCH with BTC, ATH. The underneath outline shows the cost examination between Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Bitcoin money. From the above outline, we can decipher that the value activity of BCH is unlike BTC and ETH. This shows that when the cost of BTC and ETH expands, the cost of BCH diminishes. Likewise, when the cost of BTC and ETH diminishes, the cost of BCH increments. Bitcoin Money Value Forecast 2023. In the event that the declining cost activity totally dials back in force and the pattern turns around, Bitcoin Money could most likely achieve $120 by 2023. Bitcoin Money Value Expectation 2024. With a few redesigns in the organization, Bitcoin Money could enter a bullish direction. In the event that the coin gets the notice of significant financial backers, BCH could revitalize to hit $130 by 2024. Bitcoin Money Value Forecast 2025. If Bitcoin Money supports significant obstruction levels and keeps on being perceived as a superior venture choice among the financial backers for the following 7 years, BCH would energize to hit $140. Bitcoin Money Value Forecast 2026. On the off chance that Bitcoin Money supports significant obstruction levels and keeps on being perceived as a superior speculation choice among the financial backers for the following 4 years, BCH would mobilize to hit $150. Bitcoin Money Value Expectation 2027. On the off chance that Bitcoin Money supports significant opposition levels and keeps on being perceived as a superior venture choice among the financial backers for the following 5 years, BCH would mobilize to hit $160. Bitcoin Money Value Forecast 2028. Bitcoin Money holds up areas of strength for and as a superior venture choice for the following 6 years in the midst of the patterns in the exceptionally unpredictable crypto market. By driving critical cost rallies, BCH would hit $170 in 2028. Bitcoin Money Value Expectation 2029. Assuming financial backers rush in and keep on putting down their wagers on Bitcoin Money, it would observe significant spikes. BCH could hit $180 by 2029. Bitcoin Money Value Forecast 2030. With more noteworthy progressions in the Bitcoin Money environment, the crypto local area could keep on putting resources into BCH for the following 8 years and drive critical cost rallies for the token. Consequently, Bitcoin Money could hit $190 by 2030. And, with constant enhancements in the Bitcoin Money organization, we can say that 2022 is a decent year for BCH. Thus, the bullish value forecast of Bitcoin Money in 2022 is $273.70. Then again, the negative value expectation of Bitcoin Money cost forecast for 2022 is $96.10. Besides, with the progressions and moves up to the Bitcoin Money biological system, the presentation of BCH would assist with arriving at over its ongoing all-time high of $3,785.82 very soon. In any case, it could likewise reach $110 assuming that the financial backers accept that BCH is a wise interest in 2022. 1. What is Bitcoin Money? Bitcoin Money is one of the digital currencies that is hard forked from the prevailing Bitcoin blockchain. It was sent off in 2017 as a quicker and less expensive option in contrast to the first Bitcoin